Hi guys. Well, it's third day. So ngayon pupunta kami ngayon. Susundin ako ni Dean, yung friend ko dito. At pupunta kami sa forest. So, let's go! Hi guys! Ayan, kakabalik ko lang dito sa apartment namin, which is hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi umuulan doon sa bundok sa forest, sa pinuntahan namin. Masyadong siya, ayun yung place na lagi kaming maraming mga monkey. Ayan, so di na ako nakapag-update, di na ako nakapag-video. Nakapag-video ko sa my phone, pero hindi dito sa camera na to. So, ngayon ay maglilinis muna ako dahil may mga cleaner, may maglilinis bukas. So, ihahanda ko lang yung mga kalat ko, di ba? Kakaya naman pagdating nila dito. Pagpunta nila dito ay ano ba itong babae to? Sobrang makalat naman. Ganon. At may mga grocery din ako from yesterday. Ilalagay ko lang kung saan sila nararapat. So, let's go!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could